Today, we're going to be talking about our mangoes and what you can do to maximize your fruit production and get a lot of flowers on your mango tree so you can have the most mangoes. Eat all the mangoes you want. Be the mango man. Or the mango woman. That's cool too. Alright, so these are two of our mango trees over here. These ones came with the property. I'm not sure what the varieties are. We think this is a Hayden. But this is the most mango blooms I've ever seen. Wanna come zoom in on this?
Yeah.
You can see, like, we tipped it in a few places a few months back. You see where what happened was it shot out new growth in all directions. And if you look over here, this one's blooming. So what happens when you tip it, if you get it at the right time, is it shoots out flowers in all different directions.
Wow.
And this is gonna be like loaded up with mangoes. We did this and we got like tons of success doing this. This is what the orchards do to produce more mangoes on their smaller trees. But our tree's pretty big. We also fertilized it pretty heavy. And as you can see, it worked out really good over here. Let's go show them the other tree. We also did a little bit of pruning on these. This one we didn't prune as heavy.
Whoa, look at the blooms on this little branch.
This thing's loaded with blooms.
Did you see this?
Yeah. That might snap.
That might definitely snap.
The real trick is how we're going to keep the squirrels away with you.
Yeah, the squirrels will knock them down and take like one bite and then move to another one and just ruin lots of fruit.
Here's another example of where we tipped it, and you can see there's the original cut, and afterwards it just shoots out growth.
These ones too.
So this is the most I've ever seen on a mango tree. There's one by our post office that's loaded with mangoes. I'm gonna see if this competes with this one. I've never seen that one flower though. Anything over here? This is a other mango. This one's actually bigger. A little more of a sour mango. It's really starting to flower heavy on this side. Up here where it gets more sun. And this one, we weren't sure if it was going to flower this year because I pruned this really heavy. As you can see, the middle I just took out completely.
Right there. There's a ton of
Tons of new growth. Look at these new leaves real quick. Show this after. I love
that's
how these
pretty.
mangoes look when they start growing.
they're like white almost.
Yeah, this is, I think we tipped this here and you can see we got it a little early. Yeah, this is the mangoes. I'm not sure what varieties these are, but even down here, you can see where I hacked it. You can get that with some paint, I think, but it's just putting out a new shoot. This one's gonna be loaded. The other tree's just full of blooms right now.
So many branches right there that came out. You can't really tell too much, but
Mangoes are one of my favorite fruits.
yeah, mangoes are delicious. This one's kind of strange because it's just flowering in a few different spots, and then
Heavy. Kind of set it back a little bit.
and then the rest of it is just starting to flower. And this one, they kind of all came out at the same time, so it's just interesting. I'll show you another part of this tree that's flowering right now. Right up there. There's some blooms going on. And then right over here, there are some blooms going on. Right here you can see where we tipped it, and there's like 4 branches coming out. So yeah, we're very excited. What is this?
This is like another reason why you want to tip these branches. Look how many shot out here.
Oh my gosh.
That's insane, right? And look at this one.
It's pretty crazy.
Yeah. So we have a bunch more mangoes on the property. They're all smaller than this right now. But if you want to see videos on those, let us know. We got a bunch of varieties right now started, so yeah, that's why you want to tip these mangoes. Let's check out all these flowers.
Yeah. I'm really excited for this tree to be fruiting. We moved in right as it was fruiting this last summer, and these ones are so delicious. They're big and sweet and creamy and like the best mangoes I've ever had. These ones are, they're very sour. Thanks for watching.